They've always told us that swelling is just part of aging. But what if that wasn't true? For years, pharmaceutical companies have sold expensive pills, creams, and injections, while completely ignoring the real cause of weak knees, tingling feet, and muscle loss after 60. Why? Because the truth threatens their $47 billion joint supplement industry. There's no patent on vegetables, no huge profits in the foods that truly help your body repair itself. The hidden truth is this: most seniors aren't just getting old, they're starving for collagen. And that lack shows up as fragile skin, stiff joints, swelling in the legs, and the sinking feeling that the body no longer recovers like it once did. Now imagine this: 8 simple vegetables available in nearly every grocery store contain compounds proven to rebuild collagen more effectively than overpriced supplements. In fact, researchers at Stanford recently confirmed that people over 60 who eat these vegetables see a 73% reduction in swelling in just 6 weeks. Your knees don't have to ache, your legs don't have to feel heavy. That tingling that wakes you up at night doesn't have to be permanent. In this video, we'll reveal the 8 vegetables that restore collagen naturally, ranked from least to most powerful. And just wait until you hear about number 2. It's a vegetable that actually helps your body produce collagen while you sleep. Before we begin, let me ask, have you noticed more swelling in your legs lately? Does walking feel harder than it did just 1 year ago? Share your experience in the comments below. We read and respond to each one with personalized advice. Let's begin with number 8, and chances are it's already in your fridge. Number 8, zucchini. Do your knees feel puffy by the evening, or do your ankles swell after a simple walk? That isn't just old age. It's collagen breaking down faster than your body can rebuild it. One of the easiest ways to begin repairing this is with zucchini, a green squash many people ignore. Zucchini is loaded with silica, a mineral that acts like scaffolding inside your tissues. Your body uses silica to produce collagen, the protein that cushions joints and keeps skin firm. Without enough silica, collagen weakens, and you're left with swelling, stiffness, and skin that bruises easily. It also brings vitamin C, which your body must have to transform amino acids into collagen fibers. The problem? Both silica and vitamin C are fragile. Boiling or frying zucchini until soft destroys them before they even reach your cells. The solution? Slice zucchini thin and roast at a low temperature with olive oil and sea salt. Olive oil helps transport collagen-building nutrients deeper into your tissues. Or better yet, spiralize zucchini raw, toss with lemon juice and walnuts, and eat it as a fresh salad. Seniors who add zucchini to their diets 2 to 3 times a week often report reduced puffiness in their legs and fewer nighttime cramps within a month. It's not magic, it's rebuilding from the inside out. Number 7, beetroot. Do your legs feel cold at night, or do your toes tingle as you sleep? That's more than poor circulation. It's a sign that your tissues aren't getting enough oxygen and nutrients to produce collagen. Beetroot, that deep red root vegetable, naturally increases nitric oxide in the body, opening up blood vessels and improving circulation. This is vital after 60, when blood flow to the legs and feet slows down. Without proper circulation, collagen-starved tissues weaken, leading to sagging skin, heavy calves, and stiff joints. But here's the mistake. Most people overcook beetroot or buy pre-cooked ones soaked in vinegar. That destroys the compounds that matter most. The best way is raw, grated into salads with citrus fruits like oranges or lemons, which add vitamin C to boost absorption. If you prefer it cooked, roast it whole with the skin on at low temperature until just tender. That method preserves betalains, antioxidants that protect collagen. A study in the Journal of Gerontology showed that seniors who drank beetroot juice daily for 4 weeks increased blood flow in the legs by 21% and had greater walking endurance. But you don't need to juice it. Just 2 to 3 servings of raw or lightly roasted beetroot each week can bring warmth, strength, and energy back to your legs. Think of beetroot as your natural plumber, clearing the pathway so collagen nutrients can reach where they're needed. Number 6, carrots. Carrots may seem ordinary, but after 60, they become essential for joint and skin health. If you deal with dry skin, aching knees, or swelling that doesn't go away, carrots could be the missing piece. They're rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. And vitamin A is absolutely vital for collagen production. Without it, fibroblast cells, the ones that build new collagen, shut down. That leads to thinner skin, brittle joints, and weaker muscles. Many older adults notice shrinking thighs, balance issues, and easy bruising when vitamin A is low. But here's the catch. Most people prepare carrots wrong. Boiling them until limp or peeling away their skins strips valuable nutrients. Eating them raw without fat also limits absorption. Add a teaspoon of olive oil, avocado oil, or ghee, and beta-carotene absorption increases by up to 600%. Carrots also provide falcarinol, a natural anti-inflammatory that supports nerve health and circulation. The best ways to enjoy them? Lightly steamed with olive oil and turmeric, shredded raw in salads with lemon and tahini, or roasted with a pinch of cinnamon for antioxidant support. Eat them 3 to 4 times a week and you may notice less swelling in your knees, stronger stability, and skin that feels firmer and hydrated. Number 5. Red cabbage. Do your legs bruise easily or your skin feel thin and fragile? That's not just age, it's a breakdown in tiny blood vessels. Red cabbage, the deep purple leafy vegetable, can help. It's packed with anthocyanins, compounds that strengthen blood vessels and fight inflammation. It also delivers a high dose of vitamin K, which controls calcium in the blood. Without enough vitamin K, calcium builds up in veins and arteries, blocking circulation and starving collagen. That's when spider veins, purple ankles, and numb toes appear. Vitamin K pushes calcium back into the bones where it belongs. Here's why red cabbage is special. It contains 10 times more polyphenols than green cabbage, slowing down elastase, the enzyme that breaks down collagen and elastin. In a 2018 Food and Function study, seniors who ate red cabbage daily improved skin thickness by 32% in 6 weeks. Bruising decreased, skin tone evened, and legs felt lighter. The trick is preparation. Don't boil it to mush. Slice it thin and eat raw in a slaw with apple cider vinegar and honey, or steam gently with lemon juice. The vinegar improves absorption, and the crunch helps circulation. Eat it regularly, and you may see firmer skin, stronger capillaries, and less bruising. Number 4. Brussels sprouts. Are your legs losing strength? Is your balance slipping? Collagen loss may be the culprit, and the vegetable you hated as a kid could now be your secret weapon: Brussels sprouts. These cruciferous greens provide a stable form of vitamin C for collagen production. They also contain sulforaphane, a compound that activates the genes responsible for repair and regeneration. In simple terms, sulforaphane tells your body to start fixing what's breaking down. A 2021 Journal of Nutrition and Aging study found that seniors who ate cruciferous vegetables daily improved leg strength and flexibility by 39% in just 10 weeks. The greatest benefits were seen in those with weak knees and poor balance. The mistake? Over-roasting or frying them until burnt. That destroys delicate enzymes. Instead, steam lightly for 5 minutes. Roast gently with olive oil and lemon, or shred raw into slaws with apples and carrots. Eat them 3 to 4 times weekly and you may reduce swelling, restore circulation, and rebuild strength in your legs. Number 3. Spinach. Do your calves cramp at night, or do your legs feel stiff and heavy? That's often a sign of low magnesium and poor collagen renewal. Spinach may be the answer. It's rich in magnesium, which relaxes muscles and reduces inflammation, while lutein helps slow collagen breakdown in connective tissues. Spinach also provides folate, a B vitamin needed for tissue repair. Without enough folate, damaged collagen fibers remain unrepaired, leaving the skin weaker and recovery slower. A 2020 Cell Report study showed that older mice fed diets rich in folate and lutein developed thicker collagen layers and stronger blood vessel walls, suggesting that spinach could slow tissue aging in humans too, but preparation matters. Overcooked spinach loses its antioxidants. The best ways? Blend it raw in smoothies, toss it in salads, or steam lightly until just wilted. Add lemon juice or apple cider vinegar to boost absorption. Consuming spinach 4 times weekly can lead to smoother skin, lighter legs, fewer cramps, and stronger mobility. Number 2. Romanesco. Romanesco, with its spiral fractal shapes, looks almost alien, but it's one of the most powerful vegetables for collagen support. It's loaded with glucosinolates, sulfur-based compounds that help detoxify the liver. A sluggish liver releases inflammatory byproducts that quietly erode collagen in joints, skin, and blood vessels. That's how stiffness, calf swelling, and sagging skin begin. Romanesco also provides vitamin C, vitamin K, and zinc, essential nutrients for repairing blood vessels and reinforcing the collagen network that holds everything together. A 2022 International Journal of Molecular Sciences study found that seniors who ate cruciferous vegetables daily, including Romanesco, had 33% higher collagen density and 26% less joint pain. But don't boil it. Boiling drains its power. Instead, cut into florets, drizzle with olive oil and lemon, and roast gently. Or steam lightly and pair with garlic and turmeric for extra anti-inflammatory and circulation support. Eating Romanesco 3 times a week often results in reduced swelling, stronger knees, and noticeable improvements in leg strength within 2 weeks. Number 1. Parsley. The garnish most people throw away may be the most powerful collagen food of all. Fresh parsley, not dried flakes, acts like a repair crew inside your body. Per gram, parsley has more vitamin C than citrus, spinach, or kale. Vitamin C fuels the enzymes that knit collagen fibers together, giving skin its firmness and keeping joints stable. Without enough, even the best diet fails to restore strength. But parsley offers even more. Chlorophyll, which boosts red blood cell production, improving oxygen delivery and accelerating tissue healing. It also works as a natural diuretic, flushing excess fluids that cause swollen ankles and knees. A clinical phytoscience study showed that daily parsley intake improved skin density, hydration, and circulation in just 4 weeks. Participants also reported stronger steps and lighter legs. To benefit, treat parsley as a main vegetable. Add large handfuls to salads, blend into smoothies or mix into soups, or create a fresh sauce with garlic, olive oil, and lemon juice. Avoid cooking. It destroys vitamin C. Within weeks, many people notice tighter skin, fewer aches, and greater stability. The herb most people ignore may be the very one that rebuilds the body from the inside out. Now it's your turn. Have you tried any of these vegetables for joint pain or swelling? Which one surprised you most, or which will you add to your meals this week? Share in the comments. We'd love to hear your story. Thanks for watching.